up guys? Kind of cloudy day, but today I'm with Dash.
Hi.
And we are visiting a new waterfall nearby San Antonio, Quepos. To get to this outstanding place, we drove from San Jose, capital city, to the Pacific coast to Costa Rica. Once we arrived at San Antonio town, we dropped off our luggage in a hotel nearby. From the hotel in San Antonio, we had to ride for an hour and a half, more or less, to get to the nature park. In short, it took us almost 3 hours to reach out our final destination. Okay, guess where we are. In order to go to the waterfall, we need to pass through this amazing bridge. Look at this. You can enjoy the view as I do. Los Campesinos Park is a beautiful ecotourism project, so they tend to preserve all nature as possible. So you will come across pure nature all around you. Okay guys, so we are ending our trip here with a beautiful long hanging bridge. Take care and visit this place. We are going to leave all the notes in the video, and please subscribe for more adventures in Costa Rica. Peace. Pura vida.